Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today we will be exploring three significant developments: OpenAI's partnership with Broadcom to create custom AI chips, California's groundbreaking legislation protecting children using AI chatbots, and a new consumer antitrust lawsuit against Microsoft related to its OpenAI partnership. OpenAI has announced a major collaboration with Broadcom to design and build custom AI accelerators. The deal, revealed this morning, will see OpenAI design specialized AI chips, while Broadcom handles the development and deployment of racks with Ethernet networking. This ambitious project aims to deliver 10 gigawatts of custom accelerators, with the rollout beginning in the second half of 2026 and targeted for completion by the end of 2029. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, emphasized the strategic importance of this move, stating, "Partnering with Broadcom is a critical step in building the infrastructure needed to unlock AI's potential." This partnership follows OpenAI's existing arrangements with AMD and Nvidia, though analysts note that Nvidia's market leadership remains intact for now. The Broadcom collaboration represents another significant step in the AI industry's push toward custom silicon solutions beyond relying solely on Nvidia chips. By developing its own accelerators, OpenAI aims to gain more control over its computational infrastructure while potentially reducing costs in the long term. In Sacramento, Governor Gavin Newsom signed a landmark bill today, establishing the nation's first safeguards for AI chatbots used by children. The new law requires AI chatbot services to clearly disclose when users are interacting with artificial intelligence rather than humans. Additionally, platforms must provide reminders every 3 hours to minors using these services and implement protocols for handling self-harm discussions, including crisis referrals when necessary. The legislation comes in response to growing concerns about potentially harmful interactions between young users and AI companions. Governor Newsom highlighted the importance of this protection, saying, "Without real guardrails, technology can also exploit, mislead, and endanger our kids." While some advocacy groups have criticized the law as not going far enough, it establishes a significant precedent that other states may follow. Companies will now need to build in these safeguards for California users, which could effectively set a national standard given the state's large market. The law specifically addresses concerns about emotional attachment to AI companions and situations where vulnerable users might seek harmful advice. In legal news, 11 consumers have filed an antitrust class action lawsuit against Microsoft, alleging that its partnership with OpenAI has harmed competition and inflated prices for ChatGPT and similar services. The complaint, filed this afternoon in the Northern District of California, claims that exclusive cloud computing arrangements between the two companies have artificially restricted supply and driven up costs for consumers. The lawsuit specifically targets Microsoft's substantial investment in OpenAI and alleged exclusivity provisions that may have limited OpenAI's ability to work with other cloud providers. Interestingly, the plaintiffs point to OpenAI's recent deal to source some computing power from Google as evidence that easing these restrictions could benefit the market. Microsoft has responded by defending its partnership, stating it promotes competition, innovation, and responsible AI development rather than hindering it. The company maintains that its investment has accelerated AI innovation and made powerful tools more widely accessible. The plaintiffs are seeking damages dating back to November 2022, when ChatGPT was released, as well as an injunction against allegedly anti-competitive practices. This case could have significant implications for how large technology companies structure partnerships with AI labs and may influence future deals in the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence sector. The legal challenge comes at a time when regulatory scrutiny of AI partnerships is intensifying globally, with concerns about concentration of power and resources among a small number of technology giants. The outcome could impact how computing resources for AI development are allocated and priced going forward. Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks, and hope to see you again next time.